Start, Sam.
This is my homestay father, Mark.
Mm-hmm.
He's very fun
Mm-hmm.
and clean.
Mm-hmm.
And this is my homestay mom, Devi.
Mm-hmm.
She's very cooking.
Good.
And
And pretty, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
this is my homestay sister, Snea. She's almost every day help my
Homework? Good.
And this is my big sister, Marisa. She's very kind
Good.
and good sing. And this is my homestay brother, Oren. Oren is playing Diablo very well.
Okay. Mom, your comment for Sam.
Oh, Sam's a very, very good boy.
Mm-hmm.
He's really funny.
Mm.
We call him Eggy
Eggy.
because
Okay.
he's so funny. And he enjoys camping.
Okay, how about you?
Sam's a good Iggy and he's funny and cool.
Me?
Yeah.
Sam's nice and funny, and he laughs when we call him Iggy.
Okay. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.